Hey everybody, Shu here. Just figured I'd make a quick video. Recently, near the end of last year, Facebook apparently got hacked. The people that have been hacked most likely have gotten a notice when they logged on, but ain't no telling if they got to everybody or not. So what I figured I would do is I'd just show you 3 little quick steps that you can do just to make sure that everything is good to go with your Facebook. Very, very simple. All you have to do is get your mouse, go up to the right hand corner to this little drop down arrow, click on that, go down to settings. What you're going to do is you're going to look on the left hand side, this security and login. Now the important one here is where you've logged in. You can hit see more. Make sure you expand it down. This is my phone. This is my tablet. And this is my computer. So I know that I'm the only one that has accessed my account. Now, sometimes you will have, like, Android device, in my case, Android device, or it'll say Samsung Galaxy Tab E or Galaxy SE, but it'll have the location as unknown. That's no problem. A lot of times it's just because when you logged on, there probably wasn't a location signal on your mobile device. A quick thing you can do is right here where it says log out of all sessions. Go ahead and click on that. This will log you out of Facebook from every device you're currently logged in on. If you didn't log in on any of these devices, we can help secure your account. No problem. I'm going to log out. Now the only one that's active right now is the one I'm on my computer here. So now I know my phone has been logged off and my tablet has been logged off. If there was anybody else that would have been on that list, it would have booted them out. They would have got a sign that says session expired. Please log in again. Now another thing you can do is right down here this is where you can change your password. Very, very plain and simple. Put your current password down here. Put your new password here. Then retype your new password. Then hit save changes, and it'll give you access to your Facebook under your new password. So if you think that somebody might have gotten into it, change your password. It's actually good to probably change your password every once in a while anyway. Then up here on this top, choose friends to contact if you get locked out. But this is to, if you get locked out and you forget your password and you don't have access to your email, you can actually contact one of your friends and they can help you get logged in by sending you a code that they would receive to get you back in. I haven't put in any friends yet. You can add them and you can remove them at any point in time. You're fully in control of it. Anytime you add someone, they will get notified if you add someone else. Okay, so and because it's all part of your the trusted contacts. But you can choose 3 friends. You do have to choose 3. You can't just put one person down as your trusted person. You need at least 3. But that'll help you get back in. So make sure you clear all the clear basically the login history. That way it'll boot out anybody else that might be in there. Just be aware, all your devices when you hit that will log off instantly, except for the computer that you're logged onto. Changing your password. If you change your password, it will log you out of your current sessions if you're logged into, say, your phone, your tablet, your iPad, whatever it might be. It's going to log you out of everything except for the computer. So, and I'll show you what will happen on a tablet. As soon as you hit this, as soon as you hit the log out button that was just over here, as soon as you hit that, this is what happens. Automatically logged out. Session expired. Please log in again. So you're going to have to hit the OK. And it's going to, because there's no other choice, it's going to log you out. You're going to log back in by punching in your password. And if you changed your password, then you're going to put that in. Once you have your password in, all you have to do is hit the login button. And you are back in on your tablet or mobile device. So hopefully this helped everybody out. If it did, go ahead and throw a thumbs up, put something in the comments. Everybody, if everybody helped look out for everybody else, the place would be a lot safer. So until next time, hopefully we'll see you out there somewhere.